Class 10 children, we have already begun the chapter height and distance. So let us discuss a new question today. The question is, an aeroplane at an altitude of 1500 meter finds that two ships are sailing towards it in the same direction. So think there is an aeroplane flying at the height of 1500 meter from the ground level. So here height of the aeroplane flying is the A point and its height is AB is 1500 meter. So here is the aeroplane. So it finds that two ships, that means below the aeroplane on the ground level there is a sea where two ships are sailing. So they are sailing in the same direction. It is not like this aeroplane is here, one is this side, the other is on the other side. No, both the ships are sailing in the same direction, and the angle of depression as observed from the aeroplane are 45 degree and 30 degree respectively. As angle of depression means whenever something is being observed from the higher level to the ground level, from up to down, then such angles are called angle of depression or angle of depression. And when we see from lower level to upper level, that is called elevation. So this is depression. Now you can see here, this is point C is one ship, the point D is another ship. So point C, the ship on the point C has been observed by the aeroplane, the pilot from the aeroplane, at an angle of 45 degree. So you can see angle has been formed on the top, because this particular is 45 degree and this is an imaginary horizontal line. So from here 45 degree, and second ship they have seen at an angle of 30 degree. So here is 30 degree. Now you might be saying, sir, why not here 30 and here 45? Then let me tell you, the angle which is nearer to the vertical line, the first angle is small, and the angle which is far away from the vertical line is always smaller. So it is the common sense, whenever there is such diagram and when there is one small angle and one is greater angle should be in the near point and smaller angle should be at the far point. So definitely the ship at point D has been observed at 30 degree and ship at point C has been observed at 45 degree. Now you might be asking, sir, this 45 how it came here, this 30 how it came here? Then let me tell you, actually this 45 and this 45, they are alternate angle, and if I make 45 degree here, I have no value for this 45 degree, but when it comes here inside the triangle, then this works as an acute angle, and that acute angle can be used in the sine, cos and tan. But when I use at 45 degree here, then it is outside the triangle and it has no meaning, nothing to do, it becomes useless. So that's why whenever any angle of depression is formed outside the triangle, then as an alternate angle we can write it inside. So this 45 is outside the triangle, but as an alternate angle I can write this 45 is equal to this, and this 30 is alternate to this D. So this is 30 degree. So whenever children any angle of depression is formed outside the triangle, please you can convert it inside the triangle writing as alternate angle. Now question is, find the distance between two ship. Two ship means here is one ship is at point C, one ship is at point D. So we have to find the distance of CD. So now we will write, let the distance between the two ships equal to CD. From here find the distance. So the distance between the two ships equal to CD meter. Now in triangle ABC, first triangle I take is triangle ABC. As in triangle ABC 45 degrees acute angle, so tan 45 equal to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is AB and base is BC. So tan 45 is 1, AB by BC. Now same one, and here AB is 1500 meter. You can see 1500 meter and BC is unknown. So we will find the value of BC, whereas my question is to find CD. But this BC will help us to find the value of CD. So now BC will cross multiply with 1. BC 1 ja BC, and 1500 also will cross multiply with 1, because there is no number means there is 1. 1500 1 ja 1500. So we got the value of BC as 1500 meters. So AB also is 1500 meter and BC also is 1500 meter. Now my next triangle will be triangle ABD and my acute angle will be 30 degree. So you can see in the next page I have done the same. In triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is my acute angle perpendicular by base. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, as perpendicular is AB and base is BD. You can check, base is BD and perpendicular is AB. But BD also can be written as BC plus CD. Same thing I have done here. First I wrote BD, in the next step I wrote BC plus CD. Rest AB is 1500 meter, 1500. So 1 by root 3, 1500 by BC is 1500 and CD is unknown to us. Now you might be saying, how BC is 1500? Just now we got it. BC is 1500 meter, children. So we know that. Now we can get the value of CD. 1500 plus CD into 1, 1500 plus CD. 1500 into root 3, 1500 root 3. Now CD equal to, this will come this side and become minus. And value of root 3, if I put 1.732. And if I multiply these two numbers 1500 and 1.732, my answer is 2598.000 minus 1500. But 0.000 has no value. So CD equal to 2598 minus 1500. And if I subtract, CD is 1098 meter. So we had to find the distance between the two ships, which is CD, and value of CD is 1098 meter. So this is how we got our answer. So our question was to find CD. So we finally got the value of CD. So very easy, children, but angle of depression we have to understand. It is outside, but later on it comes inside. So children, see my video again and again, try to understand, and if you have any doubt, please you can call me or you can WhatsApp me and you can clarify your doubts. Thank you, children.